In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw your money from Xfmusic Nigeria. I am going to make a live withdrawal on this video so that you see exactly how to withdraw your money from this particular platform. So if I click on mine here, you will see that I have earned total of 32,597 naira right here. So I'm going to withdraw this money right now, right? So what I'm going to do now is to click on withdraw. This is withdraw button, as you can see here. So I will click on the withdraw button right now. Then I am going to click on standard withdrawal, right? So I will click on standard withdrawal. I am going to select my withdrawal method right here. I will select my withdrawal method right here. That is my bank account. So I'm going to click there and select my bank account. So I have selected my bank account. So if you come down here, you will see the amount you can actually withdraw, right? Because you cannot type the amount. You only select it from here, right? Like if you want to withdraw 2005, you click on 2005. If you want to withdraw 10,000, you click on 10,000. If you want to withdraw 30,000, you click on 30,000. If you want to withdraw 100,000, you click on 100,000, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, my balance here is 32,500, right? So what I'm going to withdraw right now is 30,000, which is this one. So I'm going to click on 30,000 to withdraw 30,000 naira. So I have clicked on 30,000 naira. Now if you look here, you see that they are going to charge withdrawal fee. They are going to take 3,000 naira as their withdrawal fee, right? So the next thing I'm going to do here is to enter my withdrawal password. I will enter my withdrawal password right here. If you have been following me on this channel, you must have seen how to set up these things. Now I'm going to enter my withdrawal password and continue. So I have entered my withdrawal password. The next thing I'm going to do here is to click confirm withdrawal, right? Confirm withdrawal. So I will click on it right now. As you can see, success. As you can see, this withdrawal is processing. So I am going to stop this video, and once I get this money in my bank account, I am going to continue this video, right, and show you the money live in my bank account. Before then, if you have not registered on Xfmusic Nigeria, the link to register is in the video description. Go down to the video description, click the first link in the video description, and register your account. If you want to contact me on WhatsApp, you are going to see my WhatsApp link in the video description also. And again, if you want to join my Telegram channel, you will also see the link in the video description. The time right now is 9:37. So I'm going to know how long it is going to take to receive this money in my bank account. All right, I have just received my withdrawal to my bank account. So This is it here. I will open it. So as you can see, this is the 27,000 naira. As you can see it right here. This is the 27,000 naira live in my bank account. Right. So guys, as you can see, Xfmusic Nigeria is actually paying massively. If you have not registered an account on Xfmusic Nigeria, this is the best opportunity for you to get registered. Let me show you the simple registration process so that you don't make any mistake while creating your account. Before I show you how to create an account on this platform, let me show you the status of my withdrawal in my account. If you look here, you will see that my balance now is 2,597 naira, right? Now let me show you the withdrawal status. If I click on withdrawal, I click on standard withdrawal, then I go to withdrawal status, withdrawal record. As you can see, this is it. 27,000 naira has paid. Before, when I made this withdrawal request, it was processing, but now the status has changed to paid, right? So I have actually seen this money in my bank account. So with that being said, let me show you exactly how to create an account on this platform. So for you to create an account on this platform, the first thing you should do right now is to click on the first link in the video description below. Once you click the link, it is going to bring you to this page. Once you come to this page, the first thing you should do is to enter your phone number right here. Enter your phone number, then you enter your password, the one you are going to be using to log into this platform. You confirm your password right here. Then under this verification code, you see this code right here. That is what you are going to enter inside this verification code. Once you have done that, you click register now. Once you click register now, your account will be created instantly, right? So once your account has been created instantly, the next thing you should do is to go ahead and set up your bank account details for withdrawal, set up your withdrawal password, and finally deposit money in your account and start making money from this platform. I've showed you everything on how to do this in a separate video. I will leave the link to that video in the video description. You can go down to the video description, watch the entire video and see exactly how to deposit money in your account. If you want to send me a message on WhatsApp for more guidance on how to go about this, you will see my WhatsApp link in the video description. And again, if you want to join my Telegram channel, you will also see the link in the video description. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, click the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.